Before we get started, I just need to read a disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. The content of this site is provided for informational and educational purposes only. To make the best decision that meets your needs, please do your own research and consult a financial advisor if you feel the need. All investments carry some form of risk. Nothing is guaranteed. Please do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Welcome to the channel again. Nice to see you all. In this particular video, what we're going to discuss is actually when you click on a link for Novatech to sign up, hopefully our link, and you can get the link below the description. But what you need then is to fill this pretty simple form in. It's pretty self-explanatory, but we'll run through it a little bit. So the first thing you need to do is you need to come up with a username or email to log in. So you need to put that in there. Then what you need to do is pick a personal website name and you fill that in. Put in the country that you're from here. Pick a password and it'll say if you're not on whether or not you can accept that password. Confirm the password again. Then the next thing is a question. So you've got different secret questions and you need to put an answer in there. Now in the United Kingdom, the personal tax ID is called your national insurance number. In America, it's personal tax ID. So this depends which country you're signing up from. So once you put your country in there, it should tell you what you need documents wise, or if you need any documents at all, that's what you need to put in there. Right, so what we need to also to do, you pick your language, which is there. Then it's just quite simple stuff. First name, middle name, and last name. Your email. If you get any problems with emails, Gmails usually work quite well. Sometimes things don't always like Hotmail, for instance. Then what you need to do is you need the area code. You need to find your country and the area code. So I know the UK is 44, so 44, and then your phone number goes after that. Referred by ID, that should come up through the link that you signed up through, but you can put it in, which is optional. If you're signing up on behalf of the company, you need to just put your company name and the company identification number in there. And then the next part is just basically your date of birth, when you was born and the month you was born and the day of the month. Now the next part under here is quite critical. So you're best to make a note of this. You need a 4-digit PIN number. So it's just numbers. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. Then re-enter the PIN 1, 2, 3, 4. And then what you need is the secret question that we did earlier. What city was your mother born? I'm from the UK, so I'll put London. You fill that in. And then what I do suggest is you actually make sure this box is ticked, and then you'll get regular updates from Novatech, weekly profits and other information that may be important or not. Then you just need your residential address, the country, the area of that country that you live in, and the postcode, which is the UK, or zip code if you're in America. And then tick that, and that should make the same address as there. Then all you basically need to do then is a tick here, a tick there, a tick there, and a tick there. Enter that capture page just there in here, and just click on complete enrollment, and that's it. Pretty straightforward, but if you do get into any trouble, please do get in touch with us, and we'll always try to help you. Either we'll put you onto a video, or we'll email you things back. Or if you're really stuck, we can always get on a Zoom call, no problem at all. Now that basically is the simple way to sign up for Novatech. Would appreciate if you use our links and you like like our link below, which is in the description box. And please like and share our videos to other people. And that just helps the channel keep going, and we do appreciate all the support we get. So thanks for watching, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. The next video, what we're going to discuss is actually how to fund Novatech. So we'll just talk you through funding Novatech, which once again is pretty simple, but it can be a little bit involved if you've never done any crypto, or and because you fund with crypto. So we'll talk you through that, and once again, any problems, just get in touch. Thanks for watching, and look forward to meeting you again and doing the next video. Thank you.